Hi, are you in divorce paralysis? I'm going to take you from confusion to clarity and help you with the steps that you need to take to your most amazing life. My name is Doreen Yaffa. I'm a marital and family lawyer, been practicing in Florida for over 26 years. I'm also a certified life coach. You know, the things that are holding you back to your most amazing life, I can help you with. I've seen it. You know why? Because I've had hundreds of clients who come to me confused, leave with clarity, move on, get divorced, and end up in their most amazing life. I see it time and again. So if you're ready for happiness, if you want clarity, come join me at my Zoom workshop on March 17th from 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. You deserve the best life that you are entitled to. And just reach me at the information below or visit my website, www.yaffafamilylawgroup.com. See you there.